On the 19th of March 2024, Meghalaya commemorated World Tuberculosis Day 2024 at the Culture and Drug Susceptibility Testing Laboratory within the RP Chest Hospital compound, Shillong. Secretary of the Health and Family Welfare Department, Government of Meghalaya Kumar, attended as the chief guest. The event was organized by the Office of the Mission Director, National Health Mission Meghalaya. Additionally, the Secretary officially inaugurated the Culture and Drug Susceptibility Testing Laboratory aimed at aiding both presumptive and confirmed TB patients at the hospital. Kumar emphasized the historical significance of tuberculosis, stating it as one of humanity's oldest diseases. Kumar highlighted the importance of consistent and proper medication in combating the life-threatening yet preventable and curable disease. The NHM director emphasized the state's renewed commitment not only to control but to eradicate tuberculosis entirely from the state of Meghalaya.
They have exceeded the national target of 2,000 per lakh. They have, and I think today no one deserves more than her to receive this award.
It will work after 6 months only.
Yes. I saw the results.
A little windy, long journey, but I'm happy that we have the second BSN2 laboratory for those who have joined here. In entire Meghalaya, we used to have only one BSN2 laboratory, which is where was in Negrims before COVID. Today we have three, in fact 4 we have. We have one in Tura, we have one in Pasture Laboratory, we have one more now in C&DST now. So we have 4 BSL2 laboratories. It's not this thing, it is in 4 years we've added so many laboratories along with NAT testings, nucleic acid testings at the block level. We need to take it even further down to PHC level because earlier the accurate identification, the success rate depends on so much. Our success rate of treatment is still a cause of concern, which we need to touch more than 90%. We are still at, I think, 82-83%. The topmost district has, I think, 87%, right? 87% of the topmost district. We need to touch 90% plus is treatment success. That's most important. The extra pulmonary TBs which has come. Last time I remember doctor was telling most of this TB is not anymore pulmonary, which is not happening in the lungs. It is happening elsewhere in the body, and we need to identify them. So I also want to mention today that within the next 4-5 months, RP Chest will have its own CT scan machine also, so that you will be able to make that, scans and etc. here itself, so that we'll be able to identify patients with that symptoms and where we can actually make this treatment regimen much more particular.